Let's unbox my Creative Memories order. This is one of my smaller orders for sure. So I wanted to get some of the inking things that they offer. So they have these blending brushes, and you can just get one color, like a standard blue of Creative Memories, or you can get the color that coordinates with the ink. So I have the cantaloupe here with the cantaloupe tangerine blending brush. Let's open this up. Oop, the little lid came off. So, oh, I thought it was like a foam kind of, like a foam piece, but it's actually like a brush. It's called a blending brush, I guess for good reason. I don't know if you can see the detail there. Let me see if I can focus it for you. Little tiny, very fine bristles, actually. They're really soft. I'm kind of like really into it, like tactile. I just want to like sit here and pet it all day. It's so soft. Wow, I didn't realize that these were all individual bristles. I think they're $5 or $6, and the inks are $5 or $6. Let's open one of these guys. Ooh, very cool. So this is the ink, and it stays, the lid stays on really snug. And what people are doing is they are taking their blending brush and they'll take a stencil, which I ordered some stencils, and they'll blend the colors. It kind of comes out to be like a watercolor effect on the page, and I've been seeing a lot of that. This is so soft. I'm serious, I want to just sit here all day and do this. I'll just put one by my desk and play with it. But there's a little cover so you're not getting these, full of dust or bending them, getting them smashed in your supplies. So I have the cantaloupe tangerine. I tried to order sort of neutral looking colors. They're currently out of a lot of colors, so hopefully those will be back soon. Here is the toffee beige, same thing. And we have the toffee crunch ink. And then this one is angel soft pink. The little lid likes to come off in the bag. There we go. I like the little Creative Memories logo on the lid there. That's a nice touch. And then you know which lid goes with which blending brush. That's smart. So I ordered 3. And I will show you the stencils I got. So this one is Industrial Elements. And I thought that the chevrons were fun, and I always need an arrow, and I can never find an arrow. I probably said that in one or more of my videos. So these are the stencils, and you can use your removable tape to put it onto the page and do your work. I recommend, practicing. I'm definitely going to practice. I've never done anything like this before, so I'm excited. There's a little hole for like a key ring if you were going to store it that way. And then Creative Memories has their little logo up in this corner. There's brick, and then I liked these sort of squares here. That is the Industrial Elements. I think I'm going to keep it in this little baggie for now. And then I got Distressed Elements. Again, these are just sort of background decorations for your page. So I don't need to take that out. So I was just thinking, like, this is like your tea or coffee rings. These are like those squares again, but they're sort of distressed. more coffee tea rings, some bubbles or splashes, and then a fleur-de-lis, it looks like, another, or whatever. I'm not sure. I don't think that's a fleur-de-lis. It's close. It's very similar. Some more of these squares here. Then you have the little hole for key ring holder and the Creative Memories logo in the corner there. This is the one I'm really excited about, and it's why I ordered the tangerine cantaloupe brush and ink. So it looks like fireworks, but you could also do it half of it like a sunburst. I thought that was cute, and I liked all the dots. And then you can also do it as like a firework, of course, and you could do a couple of colors because the blending inks sort of blend together like I said, like a watercolor. So you could mix it around and try different things with that. And I got I was running low on ink with my micro tip black pen. And this is what I usually journal with because it's a very fine tip. It is, there you go, 02. So it's very fine. I'll try to show you here. It's a very, very fine tip, and I like journaling with that. And I was running low on ink, so I got a new one. I think they're only like $4. This is a holder. It's called the silicone tool holder, and I saw someone put their scissors and pens and tools in this, and it's got this flexible silicone here, and it has a weighted base, so when you put your items in it, you can take them out without any problem. So we'll put this guy, the multi-purpose tool, and the pickup tool, precision point adhesive, and then we'll put all my new, what are they called, blending brushes in here. So that's pretty cool. Maybe my scissors. Holds them nice and neat, and they can just sit next to your work. So you can just grab an item and it stays put because of the weighted base. That's nice. Okay, and the other item I ordered, I think it's already sold out, is this tiny, tiny cutting mat. Super tiny, isn't it? Okay, so it's an actual cutting mat. It's self-healing. As you can see, it's, bendy, just like a real cutting mat. But it's only 4x4. You can use it to cut something on really tiny. They say something is coming that will go with this. You can also use it as a coaster for your coffee, and it matches your workspace when you're scrapbooking. So that's my tiny little order. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. All the links are in the description below. Have a wonderful weekend.